Hello friends, I'm going to try to go through some of these topics so that you can get some helpful information. So our first topic here is on linear equations. So with linear equations, what you want to do is you want to undo operations that exist. So for example, right here I see division. So to undo division, I would multiply. Right here I see multiplication. So to undo multiplication, I would divide. So I divide both sides by -10 there. And I'm going to skip to 5 and 6 because I kind of did 9 and 8 in the middle there, so I made sure to do them. Sometimes you have multiple things to do, so you have a situation like this. So I'm going to do maybe 2 or 3 of these examples here. So you have 5r plus 5. I want to get the 5r by itself first. So let's go ahead and subtract 5 from both sides. Keep in mind, from both sides. So the 5's cancel out on the left side, and then on the right side, 30 minus 5 is 5. That's 5 times r, so we need to divide. So you're going to get r is 25 over 5, which is 5. I wrote down 2 instead. Number 6 has a fraction there, so I'm going to address that just because I know some of you will find that a little bit scary. So go ahead and multiply both sides by 2, because fractions mean division, so we want to undivide, which is multiply. Multiply both sides by 2, so 3 plus x is -12. And then we're going to go ahead and subtract 3 from both sides, and we get -15. I'll do one more for you here, so this video doesn't get too long. Again, we're dealing with undoing operations. For a lot of us on like number 9 and 10, what we're going to do is we're going to distribute. So we're going to distribute that 8 to both those pieces. So you got -232, and then you're going to have 8 minus 48x. So we want to get the 48x by itself, so let's go ahead and subtract 8 from both sides. So you're going to subtract 8 from both sides, so that's going to be -240, and then -48x. And now we just want to divide both sides by 48, well, -48. And a negative divided by a negative, I'll write that down here. Negative divided by a negative, they cancel out, so you get 5 for x there. That's a quick recap of linear equations. Let us know if you have questions.